It's me, Mikey Pipes. I wanted to share a quick little commercial rooftop unit service call that we had, me and Sippy Cup, earlier today. It never gets this easy, and it's always helpful to have the parts on the truck. I think you guys are gonna appreciate this. Sometimes you get lucky. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I got plenty of Pipe Doctor Flex Fit hats, large and extra large t-shirts, pens, and stickers. Details down in the description box down below. Be well, God bless, stay safe. All right, this service call, we got a Carrier commercial rooftop unit, RTU. We've been servicing this unit for many years. We keep telling them to replace it, but, you know, we don't own the building, they tell me. Well, Sippy is gonna get some rooftop unit experience now. And I love rooftop units. So we're over here in Cedarhurst, part of the 5 towns. Sippy is gonna get some color. All right, let's see what's going on. I guess they were recently on. The amount of condensation that's on them. They froze up. Maybe. Let's see if we have blower motor. Well, we don't have blower motor. Looks like the
big blower motor.
Looks like the belt came free. A51. We'll change out the belt. Call it a day. You got a rash? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
What kind of rash?
Crabs.
You got crabs?
Yeah.
Does Shosh give you crabs? Shoshana. Shoshana.
Definitely.
Bad girl. Don't touch the scale because we're weighing it in. She's a leaker, mama. He goes, just fill her up. I'm like, all right. You need to apologize for being late this morning.
This isn't a public thing.
You're not going to apologize for being
Privately.
late? Privately?
Privately.
Why not?
It's not a public thing.
It's not a public thing. Is it even a thing?
Not really.
Not really?
It's not much of a thing.
Don't you know, by working for me, you are subject to being recorded at any given time.
That's true, but I don't have
At
to
any
say
given time.
anything that you want me to say.
I don't want you to say anything. I just want you to, like, tell me why you were a no-show this morning. That's all I want to know. I just want to know. St. Mike commands thee to tell me why I waited for you. You didn't show up.
I was in Vegas until 5 a.m.
You flew in on a private G6, the family G6?
Yep.
I knew you were.